Radiate the main character energy and fall in love with your perfect student life at Peter's Court, Nottingham. The stellar accommodation offers a selection of en-suites and studios, with each room boasting a cozy bed, desk area, and ample storage space. Spend a chill Sunday morning with a cup of hot coffee in the outdoor area and ace your academic game in the communal study space with high-speed Wi-Fi. Located within a short drive to Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University, your academic goals are well within your reach. Plus, proximity to amazing restaurants like Rotana Nottingham Restaurant and City Restaurant ensure you get to have scrumptious food as and when you desire. On days you feel like spending some time by yourself, take a walk down to Nottingham Castle. Plus, say goodbye to travel expenses as the property is well connected to a network commute options like Hyson Green Market Tram Stop. So are you ready to embrace the true spirit of Nottingham? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your ideal stay today at Peter's Court, Nottingham.